Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be talking about the major arcana, that is the Empress. Here you can see this is the lady. She is sitting in the couch, and there are many crops is growing all around her, and you can see the crown. Already there are the stars is total is 12 star. So the meaning of this card is, this is talk about the abundance, the nature. You don't have to fight or struggle to be abundant. It's just inside the thoughts. When you connect with the nature, when you connect with the divine self that is within you, that we all are connected, you can experience the wealth that is inside, that is there. That is also about security. I am secure, I am abundant. So these cards remind us that you are abundant. You can achieve anything. You are born to get free, abundant person, where the money or the abundant in any form, it can flow through you very easily. It also reminds us to about the 12 chakra. Those are the chakra we need to purify and clean, so that we can be a great channel to experience that abundance. See, whenever the abundance come, we have to flow that energy, right? It follows the law of flow like a river. So whenever it comes, it has to flow. It flows like a cycle also. The crops grow, and the next cycle different crops grows. This also talk about the law of finance, law of abundance. Okay, so this card, if you get in your relationship reading, it's also talk about to let go, and also talk about to recognize your true self, that is feminine self, the creative, that you are very abundant. You can abundant in love, you can abundant in goodness. You just have to be aware. If you get this card in your business, that means it's your business can flourish like anything. You just have to know some laws. Those are the laws we have to recognize. Unless you know that, it see, if we keep the river always should be flowing, right? If you keep that river like store the river water, it will break some point of time. So similarly, the money, the law of abundance talk about the law of flow. It should flow naturally. So when you follow those laws in your life consciously, hourly, you are abundant. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe, and you can mail me also if you have any doubt, and you can want to do a one-to-one reading. You can book me in below link. So I do reading about soul reading. You will be learning about your purpose, the energy you carry, your DNA structure, the energy that is helping you, the highest potential, and also which are the energy that is actually giving you the learning to learn, so that you can easily learn that and move ahead with the highest potential. See you again on the next video.